I put on jeans just for this video. Hey, it's Amy coming to you from my kitchen counter in lockdown. I just wanted to start off this video by saying a huge thank you to all the healthcare workers out there, all the essential workers, everyone who is struggling right now, and I know it is a huge privilege to be able to shelter in place, which is what a lot of me and my friends are doing, or should be doing hopefully. Don't go out, stay home. So I thought it'd be a good idea to make a care package, or basically put together a box full of like goodies and things to send to any of your loved ones. And I try to make it creative, and hopefully you guys have a lot of these things at home already, or if not, they shouldn't be too hard to get. So I made this care package for my boyfriend, who is currently locked down in a different city than I am, so I thought I would send him this care package so that he could find some joy and love and comfort from it. You can make this care package for any of your loved ones in your life. So to start out, it's always nice, of course, to get snail mail or to get a letter from somebody, especially during this time. If you happen to know the love language of the person that you're sending this care package to, you could like tailor it to that. For example, if they really love words of affirmation, then a letter is the perfect thing to send to them. So I started out by cutting out some photos of us, and I decorated the front of the letter. And then of course I wrote some things on the inside, and if you don't know what to write, I would suggest just writing that you miss them or whoever you're sending this to, and you hope they're staying healthy, of course, and then talk about maybe what you're grateful for about them and some of your memories together, because I think we all need to be reminded right now of what normal life is like. I also put the care package contents in here, so it's kind of like a table of contents for them when they're opening up the package. This is a good idea for anyone you're sending it to, but since I am sending this to my boyfriend, I put a little spritz of my perfume on it. Very romantic, but it's also because
your hippocampus in your brain, which is the center that controls memory, is very close to your olfactory gland, which is scent. So scent and memory are very much connected. So when he opens it, he'll be reminded of me because he can smell my perfume. Okay, I don't know if that's too much.
So the first thing I put in the package is this tea collection. I thought this would be a good idea because it's kind of cold in California right now, and then when you drink tea, it just feels like you're getting a warm hug from someone, which I think we all need right now for sure. But if the person that you're gonna give this care package to doesn't really like tea, you can include hot chocolate, you can include coffee, or even like the electrolyte powder or protein powder, just some kind of like drink mix like that should be good. I just wrote down all the little tea flavors on a piece of paper and attached it to the little bag with washi tape that I had. And I got this cute little brown bag at Walmart before the lockdown. And then also just another little handmade thing, because I think that handmade things are always greatly appreciated by whoever you send it to, because they know that you made it with love. And my boyfriend collects these. These are made with like the little round beads. So the blue beads in it are made of aqua terra jasper, which apparently relieves stress, brings peace and harmony. So hopefully it works. We will see. I'll let you know. But again, I just wrote down what's in here, what the bracelets are made of, and I attached it to the little bag with washi tape. Next is a very essential item these days, face masks. So this is a Valentino designer dust bag that I put the face masks in. So I made him 2 different face masks, and you can just look up tutorials on YouTube of different face mask patterns. All of them are great. So this mask is just a plain black mask. You open it up, it's 3D, and then on the inside you've got this little pocket to put a filter behind, and it's just this patriotic pattern, this first mask. And then the second mask here is made out of this Burberry patterned fabric or tartan fabric. And it opens up like this also. And on the inside it has a filter pocket, and I made these reusable washable cotton filters, which is basically just cotton folded in half and then stitched all around to add extra protection here. And this one has a little heart sewn in on it, so I thought that would be cute. These are the two masks, and then I just put it in this little dust bag because I've sent him some homemade masks from before, so now he has a place to keep all of them. The next thing I put in the care package was some Tic Tacs. Next we have skincare. This is a face mask with a little sleeping pack moisturizer in it. And then this one is just a bigger version of the sleeping pack. I got these because we all need to have a little spa night. And I got these ones that are pumpkin because my boyfriend calls me pumpkin sometimes. So, pumpkin. So the last thing we have is this book. You can send any book, of course, but I chose to send Looking for Alaska by John Green because it's one of my favorite books. And then also my boyfriend and I binged this series on Hulu before lockdown and we really enjoyed it. I thought that it would be a good idea not only to send a book, but to make it a little more personalized. You can add annotations into it, which sounds super English major of me, but I swear you can do this even if you're not an English major. All I did was I kind of went through the book and I wrote down my little reactions to things that were happening in the book, or I underlined my favorite quotes. But I thought it would be a nice touch because not only is the person you're sending this to getting a book, but if it has like all your little notes in it and stuff, it's kind of like they're reading the book with you while they're reading it because they can read all of your reactions. And we've all got time to do this now, so might as well. And you don't have to just use pencil like I did. You can put post-it notes in it. You can use highlighters, make it all fancy and pretty. So there's that. And that's what I put in the care package. So if you didn't get that, I put in a tea collection, homemade bracelets, homemade face masks, skincare face masks, Tic Tacs, and then the book, Looking for Alaska, and of course this letter. So I hope everyone out there is staying safe and healthy, and if you decide to send a quarantine care package, let me know what you put in it, and I hope that the person you send it to is also staying safe and healthy and that they really enjoy it. And yeah, hope you enjoyed.